Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background and hiding the original so you can always revert. This protects your work. Next, make a precise subject selection using Quick Select or Pen, then refine edges by 1 to 2 pixels so the mask looks natural. Once done, add a separate layer for the blur effect. That lets you paint or mask without altering the base. This first layer establishes control. Make sure to save a copy before heavy adjustments. Now apply a blur filter such as Gaussian for simplicity or lens blur for realistic bokeh. Choose a radius that matches focal depth, typically between 6 and 40 pixels depending on resolution. After applying, add a layer mask and paint with a soft brush at varying opacity to reveal sharp areas gradually. This avoids hard edges that scream fake. For scenes with depth, use a gradient or a depth map to modulate blur. Finish by checking for halos and edge artifacts. You can soften them with a low-strength clone stamp or careful dodge and burn, which blends transition areas. Once done, sample background colors and apply a subtle color overlay to the blurred layer so the tint matches the scene. That prevents a pasted look. If the blur reads as artificial, reduce the radius, increase mask feathering, or add a small amount of noise. These steps recreate optical imperfections and make the result believable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.